Hello everyone. After several months of diligent effort utilizing advanced RSI and moving averages, finally, I could create an amazing and unbeatable strategy. As you can see from the video, these signals are incredibly accurate. I used an exclusive indication and a brand new indicator from TradingView that you can't find anywhere on YouTube. In order to make a strategy, let me open up a chart that I can teach to you this unique and great method. Okay? We open the Indicators tab to add the first indicator to the chart. Who will provide us with buy and sell indications? Applying this indicator to the chart, we look for Trader XO. This indicator finds crossings between two moving averages and gives off buy or sell signals. For example, it has given a buy signal here. If we were to enter the trade at this position and set the stop loss to down here, up to this point, we would have earned money. Another example of a sell signal is this. Here's another buy signal. We received both buy and sell indications at this price. The buy signal is fake, but the sell signal is accurate. There are more signals. Buy signal here, sell here. It is false to use. Buy here, sell here. As you can see, this indicator sometimes shows fake signals, but I'm going to filter out these fake signals. The new indicator is added. Another sell signal can be seen here, and here's another buy. Let's analyze this strategy's win rate ratio. First, we calculate the win rate ratio of this indicator alone and update the win rate of this strategy throughout the video. We now briefly return to the chart. Starting now, we'll perform back testing. Now let me teach you how to add this advanced RSI to your chart. As mentioned, this indicator doesn't exist on TradingView, and we have made this ourselves exclusively. I'll post the code for this indicator's Pine script on my Telegram channel. This is accessible via the link in the video's description. To acquire the codes, simply access the video's description by clicking this link. The URL to our Telegram channel is provided here. Open the Telegram channel, download the indicator code, and paste all of the codes below after opening the file. Then open TradingView and the Pine Editor tab. Erase all of the code lines there and replace them with the copied code line. Then select the Save button and last, include it in the chart in order to apply the indicator to the chart. Okay? In order to test the method, I'll speed up the video. Let's keep track of how many trades finished in profit and how many in loss. We made 21 winning trades and 11 losing trades. Consequently, the strategy's win rate is 50%. If each position has a risk-to-reward ratio of 1.5, we had a total opportunity to earn of $50 in all of these trades. Because we got more wins rather than losses, we could suppose earning $50 profit. Next, let's add the next indicator to the chart and remove these false signals. This is the next indicator. Even though it is RSI-based, it differs from the standard RSI. The codes in this RSI have been optimized, making it an advanced version of RSI. It will deal with all false signals. Due to the fact that we created this RSI, it does not exist on the TradingView platform. The RSI settings will be opened by me. Here, I'll replace 14 with 25 and change this other 14 to 150. See how the RSI changed? We open the settings again. Colors are changed in the Style section. We adjust the new RSI graph to be bolder and a lighter shade of purple. To increase visibility, we also make the yellow line bolder, okay? So the new and advanced RSI is ready. For this method to work, the first indicator must provide a buy signal. In new RSI indicator, the purple graph of RSI should cross the yellow line of EMA upwards. For example, down here, the first indicator has displayed a buy signal. The RSI has confirmed it. Whenever these two conditions are met, we enter a buy trade. The stop loss is placed below this region. We could hit risk-reward ratio of 4. Let's find a sell signal too. In this position, the RSI line and the EMA line has crossed each other downwards. And up here, the first indicator has shown a sell signal. Both conditions are met. Therefore, we enter a sell order and place our stop loss above the swing. We may have again achieved a risk-to-reward ratio of 4. Here, XO indicator has given a sell signal, but there is no crossing in RSI, meaning RSI has filtered this fake signal. Here, we can see a buy signal produced by XO indication 2. The RSI graph, however, is above the yellow line. The the signal lacks the second confirmation, and we can't enter a trade because of it. This signal is not valid even though the price has gone up after it. Here we have a buying signal, and the RSI indicator has crossed before it. So this signal has both conditions, and we can enter a buy trade at this position. We have two signals here, but they are both false because RSI hasn't confirmed any of them. These signals are false and invalid since RSI did not cross at this location. With this RSI, this strategy's win rate ratio rises above 95% because RSI filters the fake signals. Let's look at few further examples as proof. Here the first indicator has shown us a sell signal, and down here both lines has crossed in this way that the RSI purple line has cut the EMA yellow line downwards. Therefore, we now have a second confirmation. So because both conditions are met, we start this sell position. And we've set a stop loss here. See how far the price has fallen? It gave us near 6 risk reward. The indicator has provided a buy signal in this case, but down here we can't see any crossings, so this signal is fake and filtered out. Here we got a sell signal, but RSI doesn't confirm this one too because there's no upwards crossing, meaning this signal's also fake. Here is another sell signal that has been filtered by RSI but isn't confirmed by it. So this signal is also considered fake. Again here, the indicator has given a sell signal, the RSI hasn't crossed higher, and this signal has also been filtered out. Here the indicator has given a buy signal, but there is a crossing, and this fake signal is also filtered. So in this area, RSI have filtered 4 to 5 signals, all of which are false. Because this area is a range zone, and RSI filters the signals in a range zone and finds this zone for us. Here the RSI has crossed upwards, and up here a signal has been given that is valid because both conditions are met. We place a buy order here and move the stop loss to the downside and follow the trade. Currently, we are seeing the 15-minute time frame Bitcoin chart. View the number of false signals that advanced RSI has filtered. This RSI managed to filter all these fake signals that are in this range zone of the market and didn't let us enter a trade that we would lose, saving us from loss. The win rate ratio of this is greatly increased by this advanced RSI. Here we have received a sell signal, yet RSI hasn't confirmed it, so the signal is fake. Once more, the indicator gave us a purchase signal, but this time the RSI graph had crossed up, confirming the signal. So this signal is correct. I open a buy position here because both conditions are fulfilled. See how far the price has risen. Let's have a back test from this strategy now to see how efficient RSI is in filtering fake signals and how much the win rate of this strategy has increased. This strategy's win rate was 50 before adding advanced RSI, when it only had one indicator. Now let's find out its win rate at this state after adding RSI. I accelerate the video and begin the backtesting. Let's count the number of positions and their status. Overall, we had 19 trading positions, and every single one of them was profitable. So this strategy's win rate has reached 100% here. By filtering out all false signals with the advanced RSI indicator, a strategy's win rate increased to 100%. The advanced RSI indicator now is added to the chart. Open its settings. If you open the style section, you will find these two options disabled. These are the old usual RSI graphs. I'm going to enable them, and as you can see, on the chart is the traditional RSI. I've disabled the new RSI options now, leaving only the original. If we enable the new RSI option, advanced RSI will be added, and we can disable Alt RSI. Next, in Inputs tab, we again change this number 14 to 25, and this other 14 option should be set to 150, so it can once again filter out fake signals efficiently. As you can see here, it's the same, the buy signal confirmation here, and the sell signal confirmation here, and here again the buy signal confirmation. Here are the many fake signals it has filtered out, because here was a range zone and RSI filters range zones. Because there are no crossings here, however, we had a buy signal here and a crossing occurred down here. See how much money we could have made by accepting this training position after verifying the signal. We could have stayed in trade even in here because there is no crossing. When the yellow line on the RSI graph again approaches it, we exit the trade. Like in this point here, it took me a week to figure out this strategy. It's really difficult to find certain exclusive tactics on YouTube. Please make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you find this video helpful, wait for the next video and click on the bell so you get notified as soon as the next video gets out, because I'm going to introduce another unique strategy in the next video. Before using this strategy, make sure to do some backtesting first. Hope you can make big profits using this strategy. Until next video. Goodbye.